Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll show you how to connect domain to Wix for free. Yes, you can connect your Wix site to your own domain for free, and you can do this by going to your Wix account as you can see here on your screen, and you need to sign in your account. So from here, as you can see, connect a custom domain, enter the web address you want for your site. It can be a domain you want to buy or one you already own. So you just want to type right here the domain that you want. So let's see if that domain is taken, but if not, so just click that let's go. So from here, if you scroll down, you'll find all the recommended domain for you that you can actually use. So for example, I want to choose this .online. So click on get it. In this option, you'll still need to upgrade your account to get a free domain voucher for a year. So if you tap on upgrade now, you can actually see the variety of premium plans if you need. So here you can have $24 a month VIP, unlimited with $12, combo $8, and connect domain for $4. So as you can see here, if you want to connect your Wix account, you need to pay for $4 a month or connect your domain. So as you can see here, the connecting domain to Wix is free, but you need to purchase or upgrade your Wix account to connect your domain to your Wix account. So that's how you basically connect your domain to Wix account. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.